Hello friends, let us start solving this question. This question is adopted from my book. The link is given in the description box. Let us solve. ABC buys supermotor in Rajasthan from XYZ. Both have agreed for the below conditions. Now these are the conditions which ABC and XYZ companies or enterprises, they have agreed. Now what is the value of motor including GST? It is 3 lakh rupees, and there are taxes other than GST which is paid but not included in the above value. So other than GST there are some other taxes which are already paid, but it is not included in 3 lakh rupees, that is 5,000 rupees. And then below items, see, I am reading this. Below items are being paid by recipient through supplier is liable to pay. See, these are such items: freight expenses, consultancy charges for erection, testing charges and insurance charges. These are such charges which are liable to be paid by the supplier, but recipient is paying. Understanding this, please understand this question again. Below items are being paid by recipient. It is paid by recipient, though supplier is liable to pay. So these are the items. Now we know that whatever recipient is paying, where supplier is liable to pay, all those are inclusions, right? So there are some other details given. Subsidy received from Rajasthan government, it is deducted from value. I always tell friends, I always tell to the students that please read the question properly. Supply received from Rajasthan government, this is the subsidy from the government. This amounts for deduction, okay, but it is already deducted from the value. It is already deducted. Hope you are understanding this point. So we are not going to deduct this anymore. It is already deducted. But supply received from manufacturer, this is inclusion, because other than government we are using it in inclusions. Hope you are understanding. But it is already deducted. This is also already deducted from value. If it is deducted, then we are adding it back to the value, right? Trade discount shown in the invoice 2,000 rupees. Cash discount due to instant payment. So these two are discounts. We know these are exclusions. We will do that. If such supply is interstate supply, calculate value of taxable supply and GST. We will solve this question. And for your understanding, I have already copied this question here to save the time. And here is the format. Right? Let us solve this question. Let us start with the value of motor. Value of motor. This is excluding GST 5%. That is 3 lakh rupees, right? It is excluding GST. Sorry, including. It is including GST. Now 3 lakh rupee. I will just write here 3 lakh rupee. Then less GST that is included in the value. How do you calculate this? It is 3 lakh rupee into 5 divided by 105. In previous example I have used the formula. Please go to the previous video and you will get the formula over there. Value of motor, I will just write here excluding GST. It will be, I will be using Excel functions. 3 lakh minus 14 lakh 26,000. It is 2,85,714, right? Now add, I will use capital letters, add inclusions. Now there are some inclusions. What are those inclusions? See, below items are being paid by recipient, those supplier is liable to pay. I will add all these inclusions. Okay, I will just copy paste it because I want to save the time, right? Please check any other inclusions are there. Start from first. See, value of motor we have taken this 3 lakh, but what about this 5,000? Taxes other than GST we have to include it, right? Now I will have to write here taxes sorry, other than GST paid. How much it is? 5,000. Any other thing? Look at the other details. Subsidy received from Rajasthan government which is deducted. We'll see what it happens in the exclusions. But subsidy received from the manufacturer, we have to add that, right? So what I will do is that I will use Excel function. We have to add this back, right? So 25,000 we have to add. Now what is the total sum of these many items? It is 40,500 rupees, right? Now what we'll have to do is that less exclusions. Shall I use the capital letters? That will be better. What I will write here is that I will write this subsidy received from Rajasthan government and we are not using any amount over there. Next, taxes, trade discount shown in invoice price. Trade discount, sorry, it is not equal to sign. Trade discount which is shown in invoice price, will have to take that 2,000 rupees and then cash discount. What is that? It is 5,500 rupees. Now this is 7,500. I may not use that. Now total value of supply, right? You can use the word called transaction value because this is what we are calculating, transaction value, right? What is that transaction value? This plus this minus 7,500. This is what we are trying to do. Understanding? Otherwise what I will do is that I will just copy it, paste it below, and here I will write total, just total. It is 2,85,000 plus 40,500. It is 3,26,014, 214. And now here total value of supply, this minus this, it is somewhere around 3,18,714. This is the transaction value that we have calculated, right? What we will do is that I will just bring it down. So okay, this is calculation GST payable. It is interstate supply. Interstate supply means IGST is applicable, right? IGST at 5% on transaction value. Now what is transaction value? It is 3,18,014. Here I will write just a minute, I will make a small change. Transaction value, I will have to write here transaction value. It is how much? 3,18,714, and here 3,18,714 into 5 divided by 100. It is into 5%, right? How much will we get? 15,936. and this is total invoice value. GST payable is 15,936. Okay, this your question ends here actually, but still I am following one more step. 3,18,714 plus GST, that is 3,13,650. Right, so this ends your question. This ends your question. I will bold this. Okay, and I will make this also bold, or I can also change the color of the cell so that you will differentiate properly, right? So here ends your question, friends. This is a purely 15 marks question. You will have to write notes for these questions, right? I will write notes here for your understanding. Notes. Note number 1. See, this is where notes are required. Subsidy received from manufacturer, which is deducted already. I have added it. I have not taken any amount here. These are the two important things, right? And you can write third note related to this calculation, right? I'll just start writing here. Formula to calculate tax amount is equal to amount into rate divided by 100 plus rate. Okay, next, number 2, second note. Subsidy from government is deducted from the value. If it is already deducted, we are not deducting it again. See, subsidy from Rajasthan government is 10,000. This is already deducted, and therefore I have not deducted it anymore, right? Note number 3. Subsidy from manufacturer is to be added. I will continue this in the value, right? Manufacturer, I have added this, right? So that's all about the question, friends. This carries 15 marks. Please copy down this all. This is required, right? And I'll make little formatting. So that's all about this question. We'll solve a little difficult question in the next video. See you in next video. Thank you. Until then, you just pause this video and copy down everything, right?